Hello everyone, this is how I did this graphic design. Firstly, I went to image size. I made the height 2000 I mean, then the width 1500. So I pressed OK. I imported the shape, then I changed the color. Then I also imported a new shape and also changed the color to a dark brown color. So after that, then I moved it there. Then I also copied the image. I copied the shape, then split the layers. Then after that, I changed the color of the layer and I gave it a black color and also shaped my grease. So I now test Elite. This is what we are designing, Elite foods. So I then increase the size. I also use a Boobab new font to do it, increase the size. Then after that, I gave it a color. So after that, I colored the black shape to orange. So I went ahead to import two images. So I also wanted to blend the picture of that lady over there so that it will not be as if it was just pasted there. So I used gradient to do it so that it can blend together, as you can see it over there. So I brought the other picture up, then also add the foods. Then I also use the stylish font, that font there. Then now change the color and the stroke. I changed the color to white and the stroke to black. So after that, I added the motto, which is your satisfaction is our concern. So after that, I changed the color and also used the same font that I used for the Elite. So I now spaced it and shifted the image. So after that, I reduced the opacity of the food, then flipped it so that it will look realistic. So I now imported a shape to it. So I now shaped it. I placed it at the left side of the graphics, then changed the color, and also I added an inner shadow to it. I also added an outer shadow to it, I mean the outline. So I now also imported another shape. That shape, I gave it an orange color. So I added a stroke to it. Then I now also move forward in giving it our foods. So I now also use a stylish font. I use the stylish font, the same font that we used the other time. So I changed the color to white. So afterwards, now imported the shape, and then this shape is in order to put the image of the food that they offer. So I added the shape, added it, increased it, added food to all the shapes inside it using texture too. So after that, I also added a finishing text to it at the bottom so that it can fill up that space over there. So I added a finishing text there. I also spaced it so that it will not look unrealistic over there. So I now added a new shape. Then once I added that new shape, I also shifted it using the positioning tools. So after that, I made some adjustments, as you can see over there, and it's fitting to the design. So I guess I need to add a new shape. Okay, I imported new image so that it look stylish. I imported a new image. I changed the color. To match with that particular image. So I used it and I reduced the size and placed it at the edge of the shape. So after I placed it at the edge of the shape, I also added a text to it. Try us today. Then I added a text to it. Then, because you can see, it's looking good. So I also added WhatsApp number, like it's just WhatsApp logo, so that I can put the WhatsApp logo in that other shape. So I added the WhatsApp logo and I placed it there. As you can see in that image, in that picture, I added an inner shadow to it and also an outer shadow to it. So after I did that, I also changed the color of that WhatsApp to brown. So after I did that, I changed the color and placed it there. Then I also added the contact that you can use to get them. So I added the contact. So I placed it there. as well, and also change the color so that it will fit that particular design, to fit that particular space is occupied. So after then, I also imported I copied it. Actually, I copied it, so reduce the size so it will fit into there. I also imported a location tag, then reduced it and changed the color so it will also fit there. So I now also imported a new picture, not a new picture, a new text. So after that, I also copied it and placed it over there and reduced the size as well. So I now changed it to, I wrote a text, the name is free access. Yeah, free access. So I shifted it to the edge and also imported another image. I imported another image so that it will fit it. So I imported it and I removed the color, that black color, that white color I mean, and added this color which is brown color. Then I placed it there so that it will also fit. So check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. So I also added this food stuff there, because it looks like the space there is big, so I added this so it can blend together. So I used the shape to blend it together, and yeah, as you can see, I used the shape to blend it together so that it will fit very well. I added an arrow sign to it at the dampers, added an arrow sign, then I also added an arrow sign at the top side, and I flipped it so it will look like this. So I added a shape. As I added that shape, I thought about importing an image that can be a pointer, so that's it. So I just reduced it, removed the background color and added that color, and also write that text. This is what they offer. So I used Snapseed to edit the picture, and I added it, changed the color. I exported it. I used PNG and Ultra, and I saved it to gallery. So here is the outcome. So how do you see it? Follow Philographies, like and subscribe for more videos like this.